In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Sony SS-CS5 Bookshelf speakers. I got these speakers to hook them to my TV. These are passive speakers, meaning that they don't have an amplifier in them, and you need an external amplifier or receiver to make them work. So what I've done is that I bought this Sony STR-DH190 2.0 receiver, which is a perfect match for these speakers. So let me show you a little bit first these speakers. I'm gonna remove the protective grill here. When you remove the protective grill, you notice that the speakers have three-way drivers. So this is a super tweeter, this is a tweeter, and this is a mid-woofer. These speakers cover a frequency range from 53 Hz to 50 kHz, and these are high-resolution audio speakers. I mean, 50 kHz is very high for the human ear, because the human ear can hear in its best shape up to 20 kHz only. But nevertheless, this is what Sony says. These are 100 watt speakers, and they are really well made. They are really put well together. And you see on the back of the speaker, you have the bass exhaust here, so it's back ported, and they have banana connections. So let's go unbox the speakers and show you what's in the box, and then at the end of the review I'm gonna be doing a sound test on some music so that you can hear how these speakers sound for yourself. Of course, the sound test should be taken with a grain of salt, because it goes through my microphone, it goes through your speakers, and it goes in YouTube compression also. So let's start with the unboxing first. I got these speakers from eBay as an open box at a very good price. And they came, as you notice, in the original packaging. Of course, it was resealed, and everything was there. So this is the registration card, and this is the styrofoam for protection on the top. And here are the speakers. They are really quite heavy, which is a good sign, because it shows that they are really well made. They are made of wood, and this was the user manual. So let me open the speakers now, remove them from their protection. And here they are. So let me show you now a little bit the speakers. I'm going to remove the grill and show you once again the speaker drivers. They really look nice when you remove the grill, and you have the Sony logo. They have three drivers, as I said before. And this is the back of the speakers. They have the back exhaust for the bass, as you see, and the banana connections on the back. And this is it for the connections of the speakers. Included with the user manual are the rubber feet for the speakers, and it's very important to put the rubber feet so that the speakers don't slide, and also that they don't scratch the surface of the desk or of the bookshelf when you move them. So put the rubber feet on the extremities of the speakers, 4 on each one, and make sure before that the surface of the speaker is clean so that the rubber feet will stick. So here I almost finished the first one, and here I'm gonna do the second one also. While putting the rubber feet on the second one, I'm gonna tell you about the sound test that you're gonna be hearing very soon. So the sound test I made from my PC, I connected my PC to the Sony STR-DH190 receiver with Bluetooth and performed the sound test on it. So now the rubber feet are installed. So let's go and start the sound test. As a summary, I'm gonna say that these speakers produce a really clear sound. It is clear on all levels, so on all frequencies, from the lowest frequency to the highest frequency. And as opposed to other type of speakers that I tested, like some edifiers and some other type of speakers also, I find that these speakers produce more natural sound. Of course, you can always tune the treble and the bass to your liking, depending on the receiver that you have. So on my receiver, I found that if I put the treble to 4 and the bass to 4, they produce like a richer sound, and this is what I've done. And also, it's worth noting that these speakers take some time to break in, so they produce the best sound, in my opinion, for me after a week's usage. So don't forget that if you just bought them new, that they need a time to break in. So this was my review of the Sony SS-CS5 Bookshelf speakers. I hope you liked my review and found it interesting. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, thank you all for watching.